In this video, we're going to talk about SendGrid. SendGrid is a mass marketing email API service that integrates directly with Sierra Interactive and allows you to send bulk emails out to your database. It's important to have SendGrid connected because if not, your Gmail or Outlook account can get shut down by sending too many emails. If you're a GGMS user, we help you through this integration setup, but if not, here's where you can go inside Sierra Interactive to make it happen. Now that we're inside Sierra Interactive, all we need to do is go to the gear icon in the top right and choose integrations. Once we select integrations, we're going to land on this screen here. There's a couple tabs at the top, everything from all integrations all the way to email to lead integrations, which are lead parsing. We're going to select mass email. Once we select mass email, we are presented with two options. We have Twilio's SendGrid service, and we also have Mandrill. We're going to use Twilio's SendGrid. If you click on the icon, it'll take you through some setup steps. In this account, the setup steps are already completed. If you go inside Sierra Interactive's knowledge base, you can find the article called Connecting to SendGrid Step by Step. And what this does is it'll walk you directly through the process. Once you complete the setup steps, you'll have an active SendGrid integration. You're presented with two toggles, which allow you to make the decision if you would like to send all of your marketing emails and or all of your listing alerts directly out of SendGrid. This also allows you to have a default branded email address. So that brand is going to look and feel and come from your business and speak directly to the consumer so that they can make that connection of exactly who you are. Again, if you're a GGMS user, we walk you through this whole setup to make sure it's integrated properly inside of your account so that we can send mass email communications to your database. If you're not currently using GGMS, schedule a call with our team so we can show you how we can take your Sierra Interactive platform to the next level.